Good morning, everyone. I'm Alex Moxon with your Racine County Weather morning forecast for Thursday, April 9th, 2015. Let's start off with our local radar. This is the TDWR high definition radar that is actually out of Racine County, believe it or not. Kind of interesting. Let me grab my laser pointer here for you. And you notice that this is as of 7:34 a.m. I'm recording this at what is the clock here? 7:50 a.m. this morning. So it is a little out of date, but you notice that we do have the rain in the mainly in the eastern portions of Racine County this morning. However, there is a little bit out in Burlington. This is all moving towards the east-northeast this morning. So that will be moving on out of here in a relatively short manner. Now, if we pan out to the Milwaukee radar, this is out of Sullivan. You will notice that there is more of this out to the west, mainly pretty much along a line from Milwaukee to Madison and further west. Again, that is all moving towards the east-northeast, so that will not be affecting us, I don't think. Now, as we move even farther out into our regional composite radar, this is as of 7:35 a.m., and you'll notice my beautifully drawn low pressure system, warm front and cold front in here once again. This is the approximate current positioning of all of these. You'll notice again we have a big area of rain out in Minnesota, down into parts of Iowa this morning, so that will be also moving more towards the northeast for this one. So we could see this southern edge of this affecting us, but my main concern is again this low pressure system. You'll notice right now where this cold front's positioned, there's not much going on. That's because there's just not enough instability in the atmosphere at this time. It's only 7:50 a.m. And where this warm front is, you do see a little bit of activity going on here. So we are expecting all of this to move towards the northeast this morning. That will be bringing us the instability in the atmosphere, which could lead to these severe thunderstorms. Now again, as I mentioned in yesterday's video, the positioning of this is key. If this stays to our south, the warm front and the cold front won't exactly be passing directly over us, and we'll also see more of a cloud cover during the daytime hours, thus the instability just won't happen. But if this positions in southeastern Wisconsin or even south central into east central Wisconsin, we are looking at a better chance of seeing these severe thunderstorms developing, as we will be looking at clear skies or at least some sun, bringing instability into the atmosphere, the warm front passing, and then especially the cold front passing through our area. That's going to be bringing us quite a bit of instability and quite a bit of lift, and that could cause some severe storms. And because of this, the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma has placed us right on the border of the slight and enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms. We are literally right on the line, so I decided to put both down. We're at the 2% risk of tornadoes. That's not very high of a probability for us, I don't think. We don't have to worry too much about that. 15% large hail risk, and our biggest risk, I believe, will be damaging straight line winds. We are right on the line of 15 and 30% chance. All this within 25 miles of a given point. So now if we take a look at today's forecast, so we're looking at overcast skies, showers, and thunderstorms. Again, our morning rains I think will be ending by 9 a.m. That you saw on our local and Milwaukee radar. That should be ending shortly. Our afternoon rain potential I think will start as early as 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Areas of fog will be dense at times. Earlier I posted that we were under a dense fog advisory that has since been dropped. The rain kind of moved some of that out of here. But areas close to the lake shore, you could see some more fog, some dense fog that is forming after this rain moves out, so be aware of that. Low to mid 60s for your highs today with a southeast wind at 5 to 10. Overnight tonight, I'm expecting overcast skies. Once again, the showers and thunderstorms will continue. The severe potential will also continue. I think these will end by around midnight. Areas of fog once again continuing. Low will be around 40 degrees with a southwest wind at 15 to 20, gusting to 40. And those are non-thunderstorm winds. So yeah, the thunderstorms in there, and we could see some winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. And just taking a quick look at your weekend outlook, it's looking pretty nice for your weekend once we get past today. Mostly sunny skies for your Friday, mid-50s for highs and mid-30s for lows. A bit breezy, but Saturday the sunny skies will continue with mid-50s for highs. Once again, mostly sunny for your Sunday, mid-60s for highs there. We do have a chance of seeing some overnight showers and storms, however. Alright, so again, there is still a little bit of a question on this severe weather situation. It's looking a bit more definite now, a few more of my questions have been answered, but there is still a question about how much instability we will be getting, so be sure to stay tuned. Now, in the event that we do see these severe weather bulletins, I am not necessarily going to be available to post them, so I will not be your primary source, unfortunately, for this. I wish I could be, but I just can't. So be sure to stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, to local media outlets for information on the severe weather, any severe weather bulletins that we may see. I will try and post as much as I can, but I just cannot guarantee it. So please don't use me as your primary source in this case. Please take a look at some other sources, especially NOAA Weather Radio. Alright, I think that's all I have for you today, so far at least. That's all I have, so thank you so much for listening and for liking Racine County Weather. I'm Alex Moxon. Have a great day and stay safe.